Hi, I'm Chef David Nelson from culinaryhalloffame.com, and I'm going to show you how to make citrus olives. They'll quickly become one of your favorite recipes. I'm going to use 2 cups of green and Kalamata pitted olives, drained. And I just picked these up at the local grocery store, unseasoned. I'm going to add a pinch of salt and a pepper blend that I use. You can use red pepper flakes if you like. I'm going to add 3 bay leaves. If you can use fresh, please do. I just didn't have any today. Some fresh rosemary. And I'm going to add some garlic. Fresh garlic. I'm going to take these cloves and I'm going to quarter them depending on the size. And the reason I want to quarter them as opposed to mince them is because the more you process garlic, the more profound the flavor is, and I just want to have an accent of garlic here. I'm going to add the zest of 2 lemons, and I want to use a zester as opposed to a microplaner because I want to be able to see the zest down inside the olives once they have marinated. If I used a microplaner, the zest would be too fine and kind of disappear. So there's 1. 2. Make sure not to push the zester too far down into the lemon and get into the pith because that's kind of bitter. I also want to add the juice of one of these lemons. This really makes them pop. Nice fresh flavor. And I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of nice high quality extra virgin olive oil. And just stir to coat everything. Oh, those look good. Now you want, for the flavors to blend, you want to let this sit at room temperature for about 2 hours covered with saran wrap before you chill them or serve them. If you chill them, they're good for up to a week. Just remember to bring your olives to room temperature before you serve them to bring out the flavors and to let that olive oil soften back up because it gets a little hard in the fridge. So there you have citrus olives. Chef David Nelson signing off.